Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fabrication Shop. Today we'll be looking at something a bit different. A brand new in-the-box Astrocam 110 from 1989. If you're new to the channel, we want to encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when we drop our next video. Now, from the very beginnings of model rocketry, folks searched for a way to take pictures from altitude using a model rocket. The first commercial camera offering from Estes occurred in 1966 with the release of the Camrock. Now, the Camrock was typically launched on a two-stage Astron Delta rocket. It used a special film canister that was available from Estes. $4 would get you 4.5-inch diameter film disc. After you took 4 flights, 1 flight for each disc, you would send the disc back to Estes for processing along with another $4. And that would get you 4 3-inch diameter pictures. In 2026, that's over $40, or a bit over $10 a picture. The next step came along in 1970 with the release of the Cinerock. This was a movie camera that shot Super 8 film. Like the Camrock, you needed to get the film and processing done through Estes. However, it was much more expensive. The Camrock and Cinerock remained in the Estes lineup until 1975, when both disappeared from the catalog. The next camera would not appear until 1979 with the release of the Astrocam 110, the model we'll be building in this series of videos. What made the Astrocam different was that it used standard 110 film cartridges. You could buy these just about anywhere, and you could get them developed just about anywhere. This made the cost of getting into rocket photography significantly cheaper. The Astrocam remained in the Estes catalog until 2008, an over 30-year run. Now, during that time, it was released under different names and color schemes. Despite the name changes and the different paint schemes, it was still the classic Astrocam 110. We obtained our model earlier this year, still in the original shrink wrap. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Getting the box top off, we can see several small packages. The first is a plastic tree with 4 parts for the camera. The next bag has more camera parts as well as the fin can. The body tube is next, and this is a really nice tube. No big seams on this one. The last bag has a variety of small parts. This includes the engine mount tube, shroud lines, parachute, shock cord mount, shock cord, launch lug, and other odds and ends. Next is the decal sheet. These look amazing for being 37 years old. They look brand spanking new. Now we get into a bunch of instruction sheets. This one shows how to load the camera and prepare it for flight. The next instruction sheet is for building the launch vehicle, the Delta II. We have a set of chrome stickers that'll go on the camera nose cone. Our next instruction sheet is on building the camera itself. Then we have a sheet that has a series of notes on using the camera and special instructions for film developing. Now here's a surprise. A brand new 1989 Estes catalog. Love going through these things. Well, that's everything that's in the box. I am amazed at how well the materials have stood up over time. This kit looks and feels like it was just made. The stickers and the decals are in excellent shape. The instruction sheets are made from heavy paper, they're crisp, and they feel really great in your hands. Well, this concludes the unboxing of our Astrocam 110 kit. In our next episode, we'll begin with instruction sheet 1 and building the camera nose cone. If you have enjoyed this video, and if you like what we're doing here, please click on the like and subscribe buttons. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when we drop our next video. So until next time, wishing you all the best and take care.